A mid-70-year-old person has reached a critical crossroad in his or her life. That person realized that he or she has worked extremely hard all their adult lives and are still working, because Social Security has not given them what they thought was going to help them in the golden years of retirement. Nothing can be done by them with increasing Social Security. That time has passed them by. Now they are faced with a dilemma. What are they going to do to make ends meet? They have tried the job market and the chance of finding suitable work diminishes each passing day. How many companies are hiring mid-70-year-old people who should already be retired? Not many, especially jobs that could increase their hope of making ends meet. So, they look around to the internet. They have seen some people successfully make money on the internet. So, they buy a computer and get an internet connection and start looking for that way to better their life. They start signing up in various multi-level marketing companies. So, then they learn that in order to make money, they had to recruit and sell products to make that money. They are in no position to do that because when they were younger, they couldn't recruit or sell. They are much older now and cannot recruit or sell. They could not afford the products or services attached to those opportunities. Things do not look good for them. They know that they have not been trained on the latest technological products on the internet that could be an answer to their problems. What company that is technologically built for those who are in their 70s who could barely log in and log out of the internet? A company that could do the work for them. Then they saw a company that says everyone will be successful because that company will build their businesses for them. 100% from the day they get involved. Senior Citizens. That company is called OnPassive. OnPassive is doing that for the hundreds of thousands of people worldwide, regardless of the age. OnPassive has everything a person needs to make a living online. OnPassive has this belief that no one is left behind, and that includes senior citizens looking to make money online. All a person must do is become a founder for $97 one time out of pocket and then a customer for $250 or less one time out of pocket. Most can do that. Then all they must do is watch the financial needs fade away. If they wanted to do something to increase their business, they could do it, but it is up to them. The company will do it for them. The reason why they do not pay anything more out of pocket is OnPassive's self-funding business model. That is the reason senior citizens are streaming to OnPassive. OnPassive is inviting all senior citizens to join them and get paid. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.